Ever wondered why birds can keep their heads so steady, even when their bodies are in motion? It's all thanks to a marvel of natural engineering. Birds have a specialized system in their necks, a series of muscles and nerves that work together like a sophisticated gyroscope. This system is constantly making tiny adjustments to keep the bird's head stable. Picture this: a chicken running across a yard, body bobbing up and down, head perfectly still. That's the work of this natural gyroscope. Even when a bird is flying at high speeds or navigating through dense foliage, this system ensures their gaze remains unflinching. So, next time you see a bird holding its head steady amid the chaos, remember the incredible natural technology at work. That's the secret of their steady gaze, a testament to the wonders of the avian world.